Hello guys, today we learn how to export data from SQL Server to Excel file using an SQL Server Integration Services SSIS. Let us see. For this we have required SQL Server Data Tool for Visual Studio 2015 or only we have required SQL Server Data Tool or Visual Studio 2019. Also we need SQL Server instance and one Excel file with headers. Now our aim is transfer the data from SQL Server to Excel. So let us see first a table imply detail when we write a SQL statement and execute. We can see here there is three record in this table like employee ID 101, employee name, city and their salary like Mumbai and salary 10 thousands. Now our second step is make a Excel file where this data will be import. So I have one Excel file like export data dot XLS. Now here we have to write what header name, field name. So copy this one, copy with headers and put this in Excel sheet, paste and remove the data from this. So I have removed the copied data. Only I have employee ID, employee name, city, salary. That is a field name for sheet 1. Now close this Excel sheet. What will be our process? Let us see in simple way. First need to add data flow talks, then need to double click on data flow, then we will get the control flow talks. In control flow talks we need to define data source and destination and we apply the connection string and then the application data will transfer from SQL Server to Excel. Now see the with live example. Let us open Visual Studio. Now go to File, New, Projects. Here we select Business Intelligence with Integration Service. Now Integration Service Project. Now give the project name like Data Export with SSIS. Now click on OK button. So you can see our package the TXX will be open and when we will go Solution Explorer you can see project name data export with SSIS and there is SSIS packages and some control flow here. Now go to data flow. Now SSIS tool. Then what we need to do first need to add the data flow for there is no data flow so need to add data flow. How can we here how can we add? Go to control flow and when you can see the SSIS toolbox, in SSIS toolbox we can need to click on data flow talks. So data flow talks will be added here. Now we need to double click. So you will go in data flow talks and after that we need to add the source connection string and destination connection string where need to export the data. First we need to source. Again go to SSIS tool and we have to search where is other source. Other source need to add like OLEDB source. Then click on OLEDB source. OLEDB source will be added here. Now I have to get the data from SQL so that I have added here OLEDB source. Now click double on this and add to connection manager. So click on new. Now I have to here click new. Then need to put here server name. You how to can you get server name? Go to this here connect and you will get the server name or computer name. Copy this and put here server name. Then after that you need to log on to server, check SQL Server authentications, put here user ID, and also you can put password whatever you have database password, and stretch this window to see and select or enter database name. So I have to select test sample database here. Now check test connection. Test connection succeeded now, and then need to click on OK buttons and then OK. Now here need to choose the name of the table or view. So here our table name is trivial employee details, and also you can check the data which are in the table. So click on preview. So you will see here employee ID, employee name, CT and salary, and there is 3 rows here. So close on this and click on OK button. So this way our source connection string will be configured. Now I have to add destination connection. So again go to SSIS tool, and here you can see other destination. Now I have to move data from SQL to Excel sheet, so need to select Excel destinations, and I have click on double, and you get the Excel destinations. Now also need to add the connection string for this double. Yes, then Excel connection manager, click new and put the path. Already I have make Excel sheet with header, so here we can browse and search the file like export data and click on open, then click OK. So after that you see here table or view, and then need to select the sheet. So I have selected sheet 1 and go to again mapping. So you can see here there is no mapping input column and destination column is there. So click on here and do the mapping. So here you can see mapping is not there, so something missing here. Click again OK. Here we miss the linking of this OLEDB to Excel's destination, so select and drag to Excel destinations. Now OLEDB and Excel destination will be linked, and double click again on Excel destination. So again go to mapping. So you can see employee ID, employee name, CT and salary. This will done automatically mapping and click on OK buttons. So our package will be prepared to transfer the data from SQL to Excel. For check you need to run this package. So click on start. So you have got here success and success, and 3 rows will be transferred into Excel sheet. For checking, go to file where I have transferred the data. So I have go to test file. Now I have to open export data. Now you can see here our data will be transferred here, but you can see there is some differences here. So you can delete it, extra rows from here, and data will be successfully transferred into the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.